Hi there. My name is Brittany Bundy, and I'm one of the math teachers here at Grand Forks Central High School. One of the courses I teach is Informal Geometry, and I'm just going to give you a brief overview of what our year will look like. Here are some of the topics we will cover. We start the year off just kind of laying the foundation. We have to learn those basics before we can do anything else. And then we just get into a whole different list of things. We talk about triangle relationships, and then we move into quadrilaterals. We spend a good chunk of time talking about different polygons, and then we end the year with surface area and volume, and then circles as well. The students really seem to enjoy this course. They enjoy the material, kind of boost their confidence, and it's very applicable, so they see that there's a purpose to this. So it's a fun course to teach. I will use Google Classroom for basically everything. Here, I will have I will post the weekly calendars, and on our calendars, you can find our assignments, links to the video lessons. I will also post grades through Google Classroom and PowerSchool, and those will be at least weekly, if not more. But if you're ever looking for anything, definitely have your student look at Google Classroom, and they will find what they are looking for there. And lastly, I'm just so excited that we were able to start the school year in person, and I'm looking forward to having a great year with them. Again, my name is Brittany Bundy, and at the bottom of this slide is my email. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great rest of your day.